If you need help with your Epic Games account, purchases, or game-related issues, the fastest way to get started is by chatting with Epic Games support. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can reach their support assistant and send in your question without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or whatever browser you normally prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the correct site so you can safely log in to your account. Next, sign in with your Epic Games credentials. Enter your email address and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. If you already have your account saved in the browser, you may be logged in faster, but if not, just take your time and make sure the details are entered correctly. After you've logged in, look at the top left area of the page and click on Support. This is the section that takes you to Epic Games help options. Once you click it, you'll be directed to their support assistant, where you can begin chatting with Epic Games AI support. At this point, you can type in your question or describe the issue you're having. For example, you can ask about account access, refunds, launcher problems, game errors, billing questions, or anything else related to your Epic Games account. The more clearly you explain your issue, the easier it is for the support assistant to understand and guide you. If the assistant gives you suggestions or asks follow-up questions, just respond with the details it needs. You can continue the chat until you find the help you're looking for. In many cases, this is a quick way to get answers without searching through a lot of help articles manually. And that's it. You've now learned how to chat with Epic Games support using the official website. It only takes a few steps. Open your browser, log in, click support, and enter your query. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.